go driving. Roll out the window so everybody can see what's going on here. Wow, what a mess. Heading back to my house. Whew. I never saw it get this deep. I got a phone call from Alice saying that it's starting to hit my neighborhood. There wasn't any rain here earlier. I hope this is it. I gotta go pick some stuff up. Anyway. Welcome to Chiang Mai in the flood. In the monsoon season. Wow, what's going on there? It's almost kind of like Songkran, you know? Because the streets are wet, there's water everywhere. Just getting up here. Now all the side roads can be like waist deep. These main roads are always the highest points. So I'm holding up traffic, everyone's waiting behind me. Not very often that I'm the one driving slow. Oh, there's Lotus Tesco. Alright. Here's the Mapping police station. Coming into San Paliang. That's the Wat. It's the first time I ever did this. I never took a video while I was driving before. It's not that bad. Tough corner here. Uh-oh. Here we go. I think I can get through this. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. I don't want to try it.